Welcome to Millet Food Recipes. Today we are preparing mango millet rice. For this, to a vessel, add 2 glasses of water. After boiling of water, add the soaked foxtail millet rice. Soak the foxtail millet for 6 to 8 hours and prepare the rice. For making mango millet rice, the ingredients required are coriander leaves, curry leaves, mustard seeds, grated coconut, chana dal, dried red chilies, green chilies, salt, ground nuts, urad dal, turmeric, methi seeds, and mango paste. To a kadai, add few fenugreek seeds. Then add few mustard seeds and roast them. To this, add few dried red green chilies. Add this to a mixer and grind into a powder. To this, add grated coconut. Now add the finely grated mango and grind them into a fine paste. Now to the iron kadai, add some oil, then add few cumin seeds, chana dal, groundnut seeds, urad dal, few green chilies, curry leaves, and fry them. Now add turmeric. Groundnuts are rich in protein and healthy fats. Now add grated coconut. Then add few coriander leaves. Add pinch of salt. Now add this into the mango paste. Now mix this paste with the cooked millet rice. Our mango millet rice is ready to eat. Foxtail millet has 8% of fiber and 12% of protein, and it is especially good for diabetic patients and people suffering from arthritis. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.